Which prophet was sent to the people of Aad? Hud. What was the sin of the people of Aad? Pride and arrogance. The people of Aad were arrogant and boastful about their wealth. They built palaces and worshipped idols. They believed that no one could harm them. In which region did people of Aad live? Yemen. Which natural disaster destroyed the people of Aad? Violent wind.
Allah sent a zap of windstorm that was so powerful that it carried people along with it. The windstorm continued for 7 days and 8 nights, killing them all and leaving their bodies for vultures.
In which holy book is the story of Prophet Hud mentioned? Quran. Comment your score below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.